Video 858, BFJ 158, let's get into it. So in Mouse Master, we have this new section called Stateless Tile Position. You can pause here to read this explanation. Down here we have some monkey wrench macros, so for some misspellings of the two functions that are down here further. We have mouse position X and tile size exponent converted to global tile X. So we see the two inputs right here. We're going to do this logic in another video. And then we also have the Y-axis version. Mouse position Y and tile size exponent converted to global tile Y. We see the two inputs here, and this will eventually spit out global tile Y. We'll do the logic in another video. Within Mouse Master, click drag for when the program is behaving as a game. So when the program is behaving as a game, this will be the click drag function that is called. We have the mouse, whatever X and whatever Y, which is just the pixel position of the mouse on screen, and whether or not we're clicking or dragging. A shorthand reference to our game state, editor game state when the program is behaving as a game, aliased as GS for game state. Some miscellaneous variables right here. We have mouse pixel X, mouse pixel Y, which is just an alias for this WX, WY that's coming into the function, I for input right there. Game, global tile X and global tile Y, set to an invalid value, because we're going to get this pretty soon. And then a variable, Epstein didn't kill himself, for formatting. Global tile X and global tile Y are gotten here using the functions we went over in the beginning of the video. You can see everything is lined up nicely here, and this is carried over to here. Everything is lined up nicely over here, and this is carried over to here. So I know without IntelliSense that this is correct. Okay, so if Epstein didn't kill himself and global tile X, global tile Y is within the maximum possible bounds of a global tile X, global tile Y. So if we're on the 1x size tile, the tile can be between 0 and 960 minus 1 within the renderable space. So if we are within this bounds, then we'll call some like helper functions or something to do our tile clicking stuff, because now we have our tile coord. Otherwise, we're not going to crash, because sometimes we can get a out of bounds coordinate during normal operation. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of time. My name is Kanji Coder.